I just bought this bottle earlier today. It looks simple, but for global brands, this bottle represents real decisions around compliance, reputation, and response time. And the challenge isn't a lack of data, it's knowing what to trust fast enough to act. So let's see what it actually takes to trace this bottle end to end. It all starts with the data on the label. Every packaged product like this represents thousands of data points, from identifiers to the ingredients, to the label, the bottle, the cap itself, and much more. The challenge isn't collecting the data, it's making it usable, making it traceable. Here, Alteryx AI extracts structured data directly from the label, the barcode identifiers, the nutritional facts, as well as the ingredients. But extraction alone isn't enough. Alteryx cleans and normalizes the extracted fields. IDs are resolved, data is standardized. This is where raw data becomes trusted. Now that the data is trusted, I can ask a common business question in natural language. Using the ingredients, caffeine content, serving size, lot number, and year, are there any regulatory, labeling, or reputational considerations that require monitoring or follow-up review? This isn't a dashboard, it's a decision. Safe with standard monitoring around ingredient disclosures, due to the overall consumer sentiment as it relates to high fructose corn syrup and the caramel color used in this bottle of Coca-Cola. Safe doesn't mean ignore, it means governed, it means trusted. At this point, the hard work is done. The product data from this bottle is ready to be used, not just analyzed. And because this all runs on one platform, the Alteryx One platform, that product record doesn't stop here. That same barcode UPC identifier now connects to the Enterprise Product Master, the place where organizations understand how products behave once they're in the real world. And this data happens to be centralized in my Google Cloud platform with direct integration to BigQuery via Alteryx Live Query. This allows me to blend and join together now my trusted product record against things like my customer call center data, all tied back to that unique barcode identifier. This helps me get a view around what customers are calling about, what they're asking, what kind of feedback they're giving, across all of the regions my products are sold in. Being a global brand, how do we navigate the complexity of many different languages across regions? With a single Alteryx AI step, the platform can normalize everything into English as a common standard, so it can be understood consistently, without moving data, and without losing context. And over time, patterns start to emerge, not from a static report, but from the ongoing visibility into real customer feedback. This is how early signals surface before they become headlines. And this is where AI-ready data really starts to matter, because now this data isn't just visible, it's structured, governed, and prepared the same way every time. Alteryx is what makes this repeatable. Every new batch of customer feedback goes through the same process: extraction, normalization, translation, and governance. That's what makes it safe to hand to AI. Now I can use something like Gemini, for example, directly on this prepared and trusted data to ask real business questions. For example, how many of these Coca-Cola customer reviews were translated during my actual process? Or maybe I want to ask something like, what themes and trends are showing up? Once this data is translated, I get a better understanding of it, but what trends and opportunities are showing up across different regions? The answers aren't guesses. They're grounded in the data that was prepared the same way every time. This is the difference between experimenting with AI and operationalizing it. And it only works when the data is ready for AI first. This bottle doesn't know where it's been. Most companies don't know either. But with Alteryx and AI, questions turn into decisions in minutes. That's how global brands move from bottle to boardroom.